We turn now to Stephanie Sigwald, who is the field marketing director or coordinator for Domino's, of course, one of the fine sponsors of Football Food and Families, and we appreciate that very much. Now, Stephanie, all right, let's talk a little bit about why it matters where you buy your pizza.
Where your pizza matters.
Whatever.
We just want to come out and tell everyone all the good things that we do in the community to show you that when you order from us, you're also helping the community, you're helping the neighbors down the street, you're helping the students at the schools. We do a bunch of different things with different organizations in the community. Like on the topic of food, this week we're taking donations to help a company called Save Our Strengths, Dine Out for No Kid Hungry, and just a $1 donation can help feed a kid who's not going to get the meals like she was talking about. 10 meals. It'll help them get 10 meals. And actually today and tomorrow, the last 2 days, if you order Domino's, if you donate $1, you'll get a free order of Cinesticks on your next order, and that $1 is going to go to help feed the hungry kids. We also work with the United Way. We're building a house for someone who was displaced during Katrina, and we do a lot of work with the schools. I've talked about that before.
Well, and you guys do so much, and it really does, of course, matter where you buy your pizzas. And Domino's is the best place and the only place you need to buy your pizzas. And, of course, we had some today, and it was absolutely phenomenal. I think we had some of the artisan pizzas, which are really, really good.
You should also try those. It's our brand new pizza that we're rolling out. They're $7.99, and they're thinner and square, and they're delicious pizzas.
Real quick, how can people get a hold of you? There's so many fundraising opportunities for schools, for organizations. Doesn't have to be a school, does it?
No, we do. We help nonprofit organizations, different schools, community groups, fraternities. Anybody who needs a little extra help raising money, we're happy to help. You can call me at 504-521-6296 or email me at stephanies@rpmpizza.com.
Stephanie Sigwald, always great to see you. Do such a great job. We appreciate you. We'll have you back a little bit.